Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option how to create TalkBack shortcut as a navigation bar button, how to enable it, how to delete it, where to find it, all this stuff. So first we need to go to settings. Then in settings we are going to open accessibility and convenience, then accessibility, then vision, then TalkBack. And here we have our TalkBack and our shortcut. As you can see, we have the floating shortcut enabled, but we can change it. So we have the shortcut enabled, so we can tap the shortcut option, and here we have the floating button as well as volume keys shortcut. So we have accessibility button here. It is the floating option, so we can tap the more option here, and here we have the option to choose between the floating button and navigation bar shortcut. So now when we enable the button, here it is. That's all.